Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Google Classroom. It's this app right here. Let's install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here, click on Get Started. Choose the account you want to use. Click OK. Now you'll be able to press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.